Sponsored by Dominion Energy. With the arrival of cooler weather, and we can all feel it, it's out there in the air, it's a great time to make some adjustments around the house to help reduce your energy usage and save money. Our good friend Therm is here to help us all out with this. Welcome back to the show,
again.
Therm.
Well, it's good to be back. I mean, it's going to be a cold Halloween. I was just checking the weather. And
yeah,
this is the time of year the temperatures will really start to drop. So it's a great time to make small adjustments around your house that can help you reduce your energy usage and save money.
When that fall season comes around, you feel that little brisk, cool breeze coming through. It is the perfect time. But to get our furnace checked specifically, right?
Well, you want to get your furnace inspected by a certified heating contractor. And really, fall is the perfect time to do it. That way, you'll know that your furnace is operating safely and efficiently all winter. And it's easy to find a great certified heating contractor. You can find them online, ask a friend or family member. The important thing to do is do it during the fall right now.
And it's, as you said, not just to check it out, but have a professional check it out.
Yeah.
Why would that be? I mean, you can go look at it yourself, but they know what they're looking for.
Exactly, they know what they're looking for. Like, I mean, even personally, I've been in this business for a long time, and I wouldn't even know exactly what to look for. Fortunately, there are a lot of things you can do around your house that are easy to look for that you can do right now. These are little things that do make a big difference. One of them, of course, is Dominion Energy always loves to give people a friendly reminder to check your furnace filter, and if it's dirty, swap it out. Because the truth is, if your furnace filter is dirty, that's going to prevent airflow from flowing optimally. That's going to make your furnace work harder. That makes it less efficient. And your furnace makes it really easy to check that furnace filter. You just pop it out. If it's dirty, put it in a new one.
And Therm, I admittedly, total dad fail, have done this several times where it just like freezes up. It's a big ice block. You got to wait till it melts out. The family, you can't get that airflow. So check those filters for sure. Any other tips to help us save money? What do you think?
Well, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things you can do around the house. Like, one thing to do is to remember, never store anything right next to your furnace. Your furnace likes to have room to breathe, so don't store boxes around it. Never ever store anything flammable around your furnace, like paint or chemicals or solvents. And also, it's good to remember all these tips are about airflow. Your furnace wants airflow around the house. Vents that are blocked prevent airflow. Gotcha. So it's a good idea to make sure your vents are open. Check the vents in rooms that you're hanging out in. Make sure they're not blocked by. Make sure they're open. Make sure they're not blocked by furniture or drapes or maybe even a pile of clothing in your bedroom, anything like that. Yeah. All these things are going to make a big difference. You can see all these tips if you go to DominionEnergy.com, where there are more tips as well for little things you can do around your house to make sure you're reducing energy.
The little things, the simple things can make a huge difference. Now, what about? I've never used these, but tell me about them. The smart thermostats. Can they help? They help save money.
I mean, the bottom line is a smart thermostat is great on your wallet and on your thermostat. You really are going to want a smart thermostat because there's no other way to make it easier to regulate your cooling and heating temperatures all year round. And especially in the fall and this time of year, if you're going out of town for any of the holidays, your smart thermostat makes it so easy to adjust your temperatures remotely from wherever you are.
Yeah, we just went out of town over the weekend. It would have been nice to shut those things off.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, I've never met someone who put in a smart thermostat who didn't absolutely love having it. They're really easy to find, really easy to install, and they make a big difference in your home.
Well, Therm, you got all the answers. Where can we go for that and more?
Dominion Energy, like I said, find a certified heating contractor, get your furnace inspected, and for more tips, go to DominionEnergy.com. You can see all these tips I talked about, plus more.
There it is. Absolutely great having this program. Thanks for coming on.
Yeah, it's great to be back. I love being here. Thanks.
Thanks, Therm.